when you hear a rapper flowing effortlessly through a beat. It's when you hear a rapper becoming one with the beat. It's when it feels like a rapper has total control of a beat. Now, the best rappers have the skill of being able to ride a beat, and that's why you hear them come on with different flows in probably every other song. It's because they've mastered the ability to come at the beat whichever way they want to and be able to switch it up. This is also going to help in learning how to switch up your flow, and that'll be in the next video, so stay tuned to that. Now, there are two things that help me in order to ride a beat. And the first thing is finding a seat, finding where I want to land at. It's finding an element of the beat that sticks out to me the most. And a lot of the times it's the bass drum, because the bass drum is what brings the feeling. It's what brings the mood to a rap beat. And the thing about this seat is it's where you're gonna sit in the beat. It's where every time that element comes around, whether it's every 1 bar, every 2 bar, every 4 bars, you're gonna have to hit that part, hit that element, and that's what's gonna bring you in sync. If you can come up with a flow, and every time the first snare comes, you hit it, and it comes around, and it's creating a pattern in the listener's mind, and this is what subtly has people thinking like, damn, man, this motherfucker can flow, this motherfucker can rap. It's because you've gained the ability to grasp the beat however you want to and to play with it. This is going to help you. The more and more you practice, the more and more you step back and see what you're actually doing when you're rapping. It's going to help you be able to totally master any beat. The second thing is, after I find the seat, after I find an important part of the beat that I want to hit every time it comes around, I'm gonna turn the beat on, and I'm usually gonna mumble till I find the flow that I want. And the thing about mumbling till you find the flow you want is because it puts the whole lyric writing thing in the back seat. And the thing about this is you're coming up with flows, you're coming up with melodies, with rhythms without even thinking about having to put words to it. And this kind of connects to a deeper part of music as a whole. It's because music is sound before it's words. So when you can come up with that certain mood or that certain vibe rhythmically or you know what I'm saying, or melodically, then it helps. Then it makes for better music. It's because you're not so much worried about words. When rappers worry about words first, it sounds like it. It sounds like they're reading off paper. But when a rapper can be in sync with the beat and then add good words onto that, bro, you fucking out of here, man. Without any further ado, let me get into the example. All right. See that? That's gonna be my seat, cause I know that's where the 808's gonna hit. And every time it comes around, pay attention. I'm gonna put an emphasis on it, cause that's gonna be my seat. Mashing the gas and I'm taking off. I know my carpet the bacon off. Shaking a bit like I shake the law. I'm shitting on niggas then take a bow. Used to trap out of the vacant house. Telling fiends give me that cake and bounce. My time important, can't waste it now. Bitch, I'm CEO, I can't wait for clowns. I call the shots. Hit the gun store, I won't holler the Glocks. Pull me a forward, we call it the drop. My nuts be hanging them on them. Now, every time that came around, I hit it. The first 4 bars, I started on it. Every time that's when that 808 hit. That was my seat. That's where I landed at. And then the last couple of bars, when I switched the flow up, then I came at the flow a different way, but I still made sure. Let's see. I still made sure I hit the fucking mark every time. And that's just basically it in a nutshell. You have to find a flow, whether you have to mumble it first or whatever, and you gotta find where you're gonna land your seat at, and that's gonna You have to find where the seed is. You have to find where your seed is, whether it be the snare, whether it be the hi-hat, whether it be the 808, or it be like a melodic element in the song. But every time that comes around in the beat, you have to hit it. I got to get out of here, man. I got to wash these dishes because it's smelling like a foot leaving an ass in here. Like, subscribe, comment what you want next, and I'll try to get to them. I'll holler at y'all motherfuckers. Peace.